slow down, kid. I know you said you'd shoot, but... Damn.
A whole lot of people are out looking for you. I told you there was nothing out there.
You sure as shit did.
Language! I'm a kid, asshole.
Yeah. Yeah, you are. Ah. What can I say? I like to swear in front of my friends. People that know some shit. Thanks for letting me borrow that.
You're going back to Alexandria?
Yep. Selling all.
Why?
Because you were right. I got a good look outside my 10 by 10, and there is nothing here for me. Not anymore.
So you go back. Then what?
I will let you know when I know.